It is also called as Turtle Beach because of we are going towards Galgibag beach. If you travel from north to south, Kankon area, that is the last taluka of Goa. So this is one of the beaches in the end part of Goa. If you go from north to south, if you come by two-wheeler, you have to park here, and then there is the beach. Mostly, if you see, South Goa beaches are very less crowded compared to North Goa beaches. This is Galgibag beach, and it is and if you are lucky you get to see turtles here. That's why it is also called as Turtle Beach of Goa. This Galgibag beach is also called as Turtle Beach because of the presence of turtles here. Different kind of turtles you see here. This Galgibag beach is one of the southernmost beach of Goa. You can see how beautiful and how peaceful it is, especially at the evenings. मागी फ्लॅग आचे मागी फ्लॅगाचेर डिपेंड आसता म्हणल्यार रेड फ्लॅग लायल्या भरती आनी so okay kind of according to what my wife said, wherever there is red flag, that area has deep waters, as in like it is dangerous to go there. So and wherever the yellow flags are there, it is like moderate waters, so वहाँ पे थोड़ा safe है compared to where the red flags are there. There if you see, that is red flag over there, it is yellow flag, so this area is safer for swimming or anything compared to this red. Fellow is removing that yellow flag, so I guess the level of water is rising over there as well. The southernmost beaches of Goa, especially this beach, Galgibag beach, then Agon beach, then Palolem beach. Palolem and mostly Agon are blue color beaches, meaning the waters there are blue in color, and here the Galgibag beach, it is bluish green. Let me show you if you can see. If you can make out the color, and due to this phone's poor camera quality, I cannot show you properly. It's greenish blue. But anyways, this south side beaches, they are not much crowded. Like always it will be like that, not much crowded. And also if you are looking for clubs and parties, then north side beaches. If you are looking for peaceful vibe, then you should prefer southernmost beaches of Goa. This is the end. And there that side you will see a river. There's a river which gets connected to the sea. The river is getting connected to the sea on the other side. I guess there is an interconnection in between. So this is the end of the beach walk.